Hi, my name is Jeula Agbayani and I'm a voice actor and voice coach. I started in the industry as an advertising producer for a few years. And so my specialty is that I know the mechanism that goes behind producing ads generally. I've produced things like radio ads, EVPs, online ads, and so I understand how a voice actor fits into that whole process. So even though I'm a voice actor now, my specialty is actually negotiating with clients because that's basically what I did as a producer. I know the language of it, I know how to express what I need from them, so on and so forth, and I've been guiding many a voice actor in their business dealings with their clients. And I just thought, why don't I just share it with more people by being a coach? So if you have any questions or you'd like to consult with how you can deal with your clients and how you speak to them, how you communicate to them, and how you can negotiate, well, I feel like I'm your girl. I mean, I've recently heard that I've been dubbed as the costing girl, so might as well run with it. As far as being a voice coach though, and really helping you hone your talent as a voice actor, I've done commercials, I've done dubbing for various series and movies. I can also do character voices. I mean, I can make myself into a little girl like this, but I am still professional, I promise. So if you want to learn from me, I am so looking forward to working with you guys, and I'll see you guys at the class. Bye!